Hi guys, you're stuck offline when flight mode is on? I will share a secret trick to get internet even in flight mode. Just keep watching. Just go to your mobile home screen, swipe down, and turn on flight mode. I'm going to open YouTube after turning on flight mode. See here it's showing no internet, you're in offline. Go to your dialer and type the secret code #4636 #***. After that you will get testing option. And click on phone information and click on mobile radio power and turn it on. Then, go to the top right corner, click the 3 dots, and enable data connections. Now, go back and open YouTube. See, the YouTube video is playing and data is running. You're now online, even with flight mode on. Try it out and stay connected, even when you're offline. Subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech tricks.